This bird can hover, fly backward, and move super fast. It's a hummingbird. Its body is very tiny, but its colors shine like jewels. Its wings flap up to 80 times per second, too fast for our eyes. Hummingbirds can hover in the air like a helicopter. With its long beak, it drinks flower nectar for energy. Its heart beats extremely fast, over 1,000 times per minute. Even though it's tiny, they must eat almost all day to survive. A tiny and beautiful bird,